For the past 1 month, more than 510 flights have received bomb threats, and in fact, the pattern is still ongoing. As this morning, a flight took off from Nagpur at 7 a.m., landed at 9 a.m. at Raipur airport, and it was diverted. It was actually going to Kolkata, but the route was diverted and it had an emergency landing here at Raipur airport. This was quite serious, as this particular Indigo flight 6E812 had 187 passengers on board with 6 crew members who were in fact taken to the lounge after the aircraft was taken at the isolation bay for thorough inspection. Remember, more than 100 flights operated by various Indian airlines have also received bomb threats until last week, and the number has gone higher. Such type of threats and hoax calls are usually issued through social media and sometimes through calls as well. If we talk about Indigo particularly, more than 35 flights have received such bomb scare incidents, and in fact Air India, more than 36 flights have received the bomb threats as per the sources, and which is why following a protocol, relevant authorities have immediately were alerted here as well, and which is why CISF and Raipur police immediately came to the airport for inspection. One person has also been taken into custody by the Raipur police. However, we are waiting for a confirmation on that. But Indigo, Air India, Vistara have received constant these bomb threats in the past 1 month, and which is why amid a spate of such hoax bomb blasts to airlines, the IT Ministry has also asked the social media platforms to observe due diligence obligations and promptly remove or disable access to misinformation within the strict timelines prescribed under the IT rules. And Civil Aviation Ministry is also looking and taking several meetings to take legislative actions to tackle this menace of hoax bomb threats. Usually it has become a pattern and it has inconvenienced thousands of passengers in the past 1 month, and Chhattisgarh specifically has become an epicenter of such bomb threats, as a boy from Rajnandgaon gave bomb threats to several Air India flights in the past 1 month, which definitely incurred a lot of commercial losses to various airlines, specifically Air India, in this particular regard. As you see, the security forces have also been increased at Raipur airport. It is quite a serious concern, as many bomb threats have been made in the past 1 month, as I've been telling you. But these bomb threats are going on a very serious direction, and which is why the aviation minister is taking it quite seriously and taking several meetings to lay down a structure and to take legislative actions against those who make these casual yet very serious calls to several airlines. This is Sumi Rajavan for India Today with video journalist Raghavendra Pandey from Chhattisgarh.